Day 8 of the Seismic short series. So, did you know that earthquakes can cause secondary hazards? Yep. Earthquakes can trigger things like landslides and tsunamis. Imagine you have a slope with already compromised or loose or unstable sediment. Then imagine a high magnitude earthquake happens near the slope. This triggers landslides. Earthquakes can cause tsunamis by rapidly displacing huge volumes of seawater, generating powerful waves that radiate outward like the ripples in a pond. This can be destructive for coastal communities. Follow for more.